going to antique our tin punched ornaments. Here, you can keep the string on or your hanging device on the tin punched ornament when you antique it. One way to antique it, or actually take the film off, is using vinegar. Okay, and you just sort of let it sit, and then I like to just place it outside and let kind of nature do its work. Another way is to absolutely non-toxic, and it's a great ant deterrent. So if you don't want ants in your house, you use vinegar. So these are one of the wonderful ways you can go and antique your tin ornament.